Do you know why your heart feels so heavy sometimes? Not because life is too hard, but because you are trying to control a future that only Allah controls. You are worrying about tomorrow, today. You keep asking yourself, what if I fail? What if things don't work out? But pause for a moment. If you are hearing this message right now, maybe it is not random. Maybe it is a reminder your heart needed today. You don't have to solve everything, because the one who created you has already written the answer to the problem that is keeping you awake tonight. Before you even took your first breath, Allah had already written your story, your provision, your tests, your moments of relief. Nothing in your life surprises him. Remember when the sea split for Musa alayhi salam? To people it looked impossible, but to Allah it was already planned. Remember Maryam alayhi salam, when food appeared for her without anyone bringing it? That was not coincidence. And the difficulty you are facing today is not bigger than His plan. Your problem is not confusing for Allah. In fact, the solution may already be on its way. When fear and anxiety start whispering to your heart, remember the beautiful words Allah revealed in the Quran. Do not be sad. Indeed, Allah is with us. Think about a bird. Every morning it leaves its nest without knowing where its food will come from. Yet it flies with complete trust, and every evening it returns with its stomach full. If Allah takes care of a tiny bird in the sky, do you really think He will forget about you? So take a deep breath. Let go of the weight you were never meant to carry. The problem that is making you anxious tonight may already be solved in the heavens. Allah's timing is perfect. Maybe the reason He made you wait is because what He is preparing for you is bigger than what you asked for. Trust His plan. Trust His timing. Trust Him. Ya Allah, remove the anxiety from our hearts and replace it with unshakable trust in You. Make us satisfied with what You have written for us. Fill our hearts with peace through Tawakkul. Ameen. If you trust that Allah has already fixed your future, type Alhamdulillah in the comments. And remember, do not be sad. Allah is with us.
Like this video to help reach more hearts that need this reminder today. Share this with someone who is struggling. Be the reason they find hope again.